We'll guide you through how to bold text in VSDC. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, double-click the VSDC video editor application to open the program. After the program launches, you can click Import Content if you want to import a background video into the project. For this example, choose Blank Project so you can work without a video background. Next, set the project title to How to Bold Text in VSDC. Choose a background color for the project, and for this tutorial, use white as an example. Once all project settings are ready, click the Finish button to open the workspace. After the workspace appears, go to the upper left corner and click the Add Object menu. From the available options, select Text and then choose Text again. Leave the object position settings at their default values and click the OK button to continue. Create a text box with the desired size by dragging it in the preview window. Change the text color to red as an example so the text is easy to see. Then type How to Bold Text in VSDC inside the text box. Adjust the paragraph alignment and place the text in the center of the text box for a cleaner appearance. Increase the text size to make it more visible on the screen. After that, duplicate the text object until there are 3 copies available for demonstration purposes. For the first method, change the font to one that already has a naturally bold appearance. This allows the text to look thicker without changing any additional settings. For the second method, keep the font and change the font styles setting from regular to bold. This is the standard way to make text appear bold in many fonts. For the third method, try using a font that does not provide additional font style options. In this situation, open the faux bold setting and change it to the bold option. Review the completed project to confirm that the text has been successfully changed to bold.